Hey friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, we will learn how to use add-ons in Google Sheets. So let's get started. At first, you have to open your Google Sheets software. You can open your software your any browser. Now I am open my Chrome browser. Now I use add-ons. At first, go to the extension option. Then we can see here the add-ons option. Now I am select this get add-ons. You can otherwise you have any add-ons, go to the manage add-ons option. Now I am select this manage add-ons. I have already added add-ons. You can use this, otherwise you can remove this or uninstall this. Now you can get any add-ons, go back again the add-ons option and select this get add-ons option. You can select any add-ons, otherwise find add-ons to your choice. Now I am write ChatGPT on slide, then find the add-ons. You can see here the GPT workspace. Now I am select this. You can attach these add-ons, click this install option and click continue. Then sign in your account. You can use Gmail account. Now click continue. Wait some moment to attaching the add-ons on your Google Sheets. Now close the add-ons option, then go to the add-ons and we can see here view document add-ons. I hope you understand this using add-ons process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my channel to get the next video easily. Thanks for watching.